Hello everyone. I have invited two guests to come today. The reason being, I'm going to tell a story to you. So listen carefully.
Maya the Brave Girl. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled at the foot of a mountain, there lived a brave child named Maya. Maya was a curious and adventurous girl who loved to explore the world around her. She was known throughout the village for her bravery and her unquenchable thirst for adventure. One day, Maya decided to explore the mountain that towered above her village. She set out early in the morning, packing some food and water in her backpack, and began her ascent up the steep and rocky terrain. As she climbed higher and higher, the air grew thinner and the rocks grew more treacherous. But Maya pressed on, driven by her desire to see what lay at the top. 好，一頁嚟 ，OK？ 嗱，雖然係 storytelling 啦，but then I will read 2 pages and then try to explain the words. OK， 第一頁嚟，而家呢個 YouTube 啫。OK， 咁第一段 easy 啦 ，nestled 諗到嘅鳥巢係咪啊？好似鳥巢呢個樣喎，即係話咧可能係寄居於啦，安穩啦 ，settle down 嘅意思啦，係咪啊？所以 nestled 知道咩意思啦？跟住咧 curious adventurous 咁好明顯係一個好奇啦，一個就係探險嘅。你見到呢個關於探險啊嘛，好奇同探險嘅性格。跟住 explore 就係、探索咯，係咪？探險、探索、冒險係咪啊？呢啲所有嘅字眼喺度啦。好啦，咁最後嗰句咯喎 ，unquenchable thirst 嗱 ，first 係 thirsty 啦，係咪啊 ？thirsty 即係口渴啦，係咪？即係話佢嘅渴望啊，渴望啲乜嘢啊？旅程咯，探險咯，係咪啊？OK， 咁所以咧中間thirsty 即係口渴，即係渴望乜嘢嘅渴望啊？好堅毅嘅渴望，不會隨意放棄嘅渴望，係咪啊？呢啲咁嘅字眼咯，知唔知道？估咯，係啊，遇到理解就係估咯，估到嘅。